Hey everybody, I'm Mark, and today on Make Your Mark, we are making a gift for mom or grandma. We are making Birthstone penny charm bracelets. And we're using Crystal Lane flat back gems and John Bead chains and finding sets. Now before I forget, thumbs up if you like this video, and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project, or you just want to say hello. And I love it when you say hello. Are you ready? Let's make a gift for mom or gram. If you don't have penny BRITE, soak your pennies overnight in lemon juice, and that should do it. If you're a metal stamper, it might be fun to add initials to each penny. Crystal Lane flatback gems come in tons of colors and sizes, and I love to glue them on everything. For even more sparkle, consider adding an extra stone on the back. John Bead chains and finding sets eliminate the hassle of looking for matching closures and jump rings. It's all in one package. If you're not a charm bracelet person, a necklace could be just as fun. I'm going to leave a link below to everything I used for this project. Make sure to check out John Bead. They have amazing beads, and their Crystal Lane flatback gems are awesome. Thumbs up if you like this video. Leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Don't forget to press the notification bell so you know I have a new video. Grab any one of my craft books. I think you'll like them. I'll leave a link below to those as well. And I will see you next week. Bye.